Hi, my name is Greg with S&S Painting and Coatings Inc., and I'm the owner-president since 1978. What we do is interior-exterior painting of residential houses, commercial buildings, and industrial jobs. S&S Painting specializes in hard-to-reach homes. For instance, a house that's on a cliff up high in the air. We have specialized equipment and experienced men in order to perform this type of work. To ensure quality, we inspect the jobs daily to make sure we're providing the level of satisfaction and trying to exceed the customer's expectations. Our company and its employees are lead certified and trained with the removal of lead on a building or a house. And to assure safety for the customer, we make sure everything is contained and cleaned up and follow procedures through the end of the job. Last week we did a job and the customer was very concerned about the color selection, and so we worked with her to provide 8x11 brush outs of the actual paint. So we went through and spent the time, and the customer selected the correct colors, and they were really happy about the outcome. If you're looking for a painter, look no further than S&S Painting and Coatings Inc. Our strategy is we are recommendable. Customers return to us again and again. They refer their friends and family and feel confident in our service.